Are you tired of expensive gym memberships that are making a hole in your pocket? It's a common predicament many fitness enthusiasts face. Year after year, the cost of maintaining that gym membership seems to creep up, doesn't it? Before you know it, you're shelling out hundreds if not thousands of dollars annually just to keep fit. But let's not stop at the cost. After all, it's not just about the money, is it? Think about the time and energy spent getting to the gym. You wake up early, pack your gym bag, drive or commute through traffic, find a parking spot, and all this before you've even started your workout. It's a routine that can be draining, both physically and mentally. And then there's the inconvenience factor. Maybe you're a night owl who likes to work out late, or perhaps you're an early bird who prefers to get your exercise in before the sun rises. Either way, your gym's operating hours might not always align with your preferences or work schedule. Not to mention those times when you're all set to use your favorite treadmill or weight machine, only to find it occupied. Or those peak hours when the gym is so crowded, you can barely find a spot to do your stretches. It's frustrating, isn't it? And let's not forget about the ever-changing safety regulations. Many have found it challenging to maintain their gym routines with closures, restrictions, and the constant worry about health and safety. So, you're left wondering, is there a way to escape these pricey problems? Can you still achieve your fitness goals without having to sacrifice so much of your time, money, and peace of mind? The good news is, yes, there is a way. And no, it doesn't involve signing up for another expensive gym membership or compromising on your fitness routines. In fact, it's a solution that's probably closer to home than you might think. Well, there's a better way to stay fit without breaking the bank. And we're about to delve into that, so stick around because you won't want to miss this. Ever thought of building a gym at home? It's a cost-effective and convenient solution. Let's delve into the world of home gyms. Picture this: no more waiting for equipment, no more crowded locker rooms, and definitely no more travel time to and from the gym. All of that from the comfort of your own home. Sounds good, right? You see, the beauty of a home gym lies in its simplicity. It's a space that's completely yours, tailored to your personal fitness goals and preferences. Whether you're into weightlifting, cardio, yoga, or a mix of everything, you're in control. You decide what equipment you need and how to organize it. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds expensive. But here's the deal. A home gym can actually save you money in the long run. Think about it. The average gym membership costs around $60 a month. That's $720 a year. Over 5 years, you're looking at a whopping $3,600, and that's not even including additional costs like travel and locker rentals. But with a home gym, your initial investment might be similar, or even a bit more, depending on the equipment you choose. But once you've made that investment, it's done. No more monthly fees, no more additional costs, just you and your home gym. And let's not forget about the added convenience. With a home gym, you can work out whenever you want, whether it's early in the morning, late at night, or in the middle of the day. You're not bound by gym hours or class schedules. You have the freedom to fit your workout into your life, not the other way around. Building a home gym is about more than just fitness. It's about creating a space that encourages you to take care of your health and well-being on your terms. And the best part? It's within your reach. So, are you ready to take the first step towards building your home gym? You might be wondering, isn't gym equipment expensive? We have got you covered. Let's dive into the world of affordable gym equipment, and trust me, there's plenty to choose from. Let's start with resistance bands. These versatile pieces of equipment are a budget-friendly choice for anyone looking to strengthen and tone their muscles. They're lightweight, portable, and come in various resistance levels, making them suitable for all fitness levels. Next up are dumbbells. No home gym is complete without a set of these. They're fantastic for building strength and muscle mass, and they're incredibly versatile. You can use them for a wide range of exercises from bicep curls to shoulder presses. And the good news? They don't have to break the bank. There's a wide range of affordable dumbbells out there, from adjustable sets that let you change the weight to suit your needs, to fixed weight sets that are even more budget-friendly. Another affordable option is a yoga mat. Even if you're not into yoga, these mats are great for any floor exercises or stretching routines. They provide a cushioned surface that can protect your joints during workouts. Plus, they roll up for easy storage, which is a bonus if you're short on space. Let's not forget about stability balls. They are great for core exercises and improving balance. Plus, they can double as a desk chair, promoting better posture during your workday. A skipping rope might seem like a throwback to your school days, but it's actually a fantastic, low-cost piece of cardio equipment. It's a fun way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. And finally, a good old-fashioned medicine ball. This weighted ball can add an extra challenge to your workouts and help improve your strength and coordination. Remember, the key to a successful home gym isn't about how much money you spend, but how well you use what you have. With these affordable pieces of equipment, you can start your home gym without a hefty investment. Worried about space? Don't be. You can set up an effective gym even in a small area. Maximizing space is all about being smart and strategic. The first step is to clear the area. Get rid of anything that's not going to aid in your fitness journey. Once you've created a blank canvas, it's time to start planning. One of the best ways to optimize space is to invest in multi-purpose equipment. Why have 3 separate machines when you can have one that does it all? Multi-purpose equipment such as adjustable dumbbells, resistance bands, and suspension training systems are compact, versatile, and can be used for a variety of exercises. They can easily be stored away when not in use, freeing up space for other activities. Now let's talk about organization. Have a designated place for everything. Use wall racks for your weights, hooks for your resistance bands, and corner storage for your yoga mats. This not only keeps your gym area tidy, but it also saves floor space. Another tip is to use vertical space. Think shelves, wall-mounted racks, or even a tall, slim cabinet. These are perfect for storing smaller items like jump ropes, gloves, or yoga blocks. Plus, they keep everything within reach and easy to find. Don't forget about your workout area. Keep it as open as possible. This means keeping equipment to the sides, leaving the middle free for exercises that require more room. Remember, you need space to move around, stretch, and perform exercises safely. Lastly, remember to keep it simple. You don't need every piece of gym equipment out there. Stick to the basics that cater to your specific fitness goals. This approach not only saves space but also money. So take a look at your space with new eyes. With a bit of creativity and strategic planning, even the smallest space can become an effective home gym. Remember, it's not about the space, it's about how you use it. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your home gym today. There's no time like the present. And with the right budget-friendly equipment and a well-optimized space, you're all set to embark on a fitness journey that fits seamlessly into your life. Imagine the convenience of having your workout space just a few steps away, anytime you want. No more rushing to the gym during peak hours or squeezing in a quick session during your lunch break. And the best part, you're in control. You can customize your gym to suit your fitness goals, whether it's building muscle, improving flexibility, or boosting endurance. Beyond the physical benefits, a home gym can do wonders for your mental health too. It's a personal sanctuary where you can zone out, focus on your body, and relieve stress. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your progress grow. That's all for today's guide on building a home gym on a budget. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? We kicked things off by discussing the pricey problem of gym memberships and how a home gym can be a cost-effective solution. We then moved on to discuss affordable gym equipment that can help you get a full-body workout without breaking the bank. We delved into the importance of maximizing space and how to optimize it in your home to create an efficient and effective workout area. And finally, we encourage you to take the first step today. No more procrastinating, it's time to get started on your fitness journey right from the comfort of your home. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a way of life. So let's make it a part of our lives, one workout at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides. Stay fit and see you in the next video.